Good day, all pet matters. Today we have an update on our Vision puppies. They can walk now and they are growing so fast. Their white coat are getting thicker. They are so cute and adorable. You may like to get one. They are one of the most smartest dog in the world and have a lifespan of at least 12 years. They are very good companion dog and can give you unconditional love for life. Watch more updates on our beautiful puppies on our next videos by subscribing to my channel at All Pet Matters. Thank you very much for watching.